I created this channel because I love making things with my hands, and I know you out there also love using your hands to create things. Whether it's construction projects like building a full-wall bookcase or adding an office room to a garage, or it might be crafts like making a book nook or painting a watercolor painting for the first time, or crafting miniature worlds for Dungeons & Dragons games. Maybe you need to build a bunk bed in your RV, or maybe you want to install your own in-ground stock tank pool. Creating something from scratch with your own hands and some raw materials is your passion, and I share that passion with you. And us hobbyists and weekend warriors, well, we might not have the best tools and supplies or a ton of time, but I don't think you need all that. I believe anyone can build and create great projects quickly, easily, and on a budget if they just have a little bit of information and inspiration from fellow enthusiasts. So I am sharing my tips for how to create the best projects without fancy or expensive equipment or supplies. So check out some of my videos, subscribe to see more, ask me anything, and share your tips and tricks in the comments too. But most importantly, get out there and start making something today.
Okay, transform.